Good day to everyone and welcome to my channel. In this particular video, we'll be looking at a question on complex numbers and matrix algebra. And we'll be starting off with question number 2. Question number 2 is asking us to find the values of u and v belonging to the set of real numbers if the expression in a bracket u plus iv multiplying another bracket 2 plus I is equal to 3 minus I. Let's see which of these options is right. Of course, the answer is A, but let's see why u is equal to 1 and v is equal to -1. So let's jump right into the question. So over here, I've written the question again. So I'll first start off by writing or setting up the equation once again. So I have u plus iv multiplying another bracket 2 plus I equal to 3 minus I. That is the first step, or that is the first term. And the next thing, because I'm trying to find the value of u and v, I would like to divide both side by the expression 2 plus I to get rid of this, so that I'm left with this. So I'll divide the side by 2 plus I, and the other side also by 2 plus I. Right. Now, right from that step, at this point, all that you do is to cancel 2 plus I with 2 plus I. Right. So 2 plus I cancels 2 plus I. And I write whatever I'm left with in the next step. So I'm going to have u plus iv equal to 3 minus I on 2 plus I. Right. Now I'm going ahead to solve this particular region of the equation or area of the equation. Now, you could choose to solve this by working it out, or you could choose to use a calculator to solve it. In this case, I'm going to use a calculator to solve that part because it is an objective question and it needs to be done quickly. So the calculator has to be set in the complex mode, right? Then I have this. So I have 3 minus I, that is the I, and then 2 plus I. Let's see what that gives me. Three minus I and then 2 plus I. Oh, not 2 plus 1, 2 plus I. And that is giving me 1 minus I. So I'll go ahead and in place of this, I write 1 minus I in the next step. So I have u plus iv is equal to 1 minus I. Right. Now at this point, I simply compare and equate. I compare the real part to the real part and the imaginary part to the imaginary part, and I equate, right? I do that by equating. So u would directly be equal to, by comparison, u would directly be equal to 1. So u is equal to 1, right? And my v, for the v part, for the imaginary part, I'm going to have iv to be equal to -I. Right. And because I want to find the value of v, I can find the value of v by simply dividing both sides by I. So let's go ahead and divide both sides by I. This side out of I, the other side also out of I. I cancels I, right? I into itself is 1. I into -I is -1. So I'm left with v being equal to -1 out of 1 gives me -1. Right. So I conclude that therefore u is equal to 1 and v is equal to -1. And that is why option A is right, because option A says u is equal to 1 and v is equal to -1. And that is the answer to the question. Thank you for watching this video.